My name is Stuart Chapman. I've just finished building a house for my family in Buckinghamshire. When it came to choosing my sliding doors, I needed a bespoke solution. This is my story. When planning my house build, I wanted to construct a top floor space that could maximise the light and let in fresh air. Basically, I wanted a big party room that was also like a large roof terrace where the central doors parted in the middle to provide a floor-to-ceiling open space. In order to achieve this and to comply with building regulations, I thought I would need a very large and heavy, very expensive Juliette balcony that would need to run along the complete width of my property. But I only needed a safety rail and protection for the central section of the glass. And it became clear that if I could find sliding doors that opened on the outside of the building, I would only need a smaller, much lighter glass screen that I could fix on the inside into the window frames. Velfac doors and windows came up with the perfect solution. Their sliding doors open outwards along a rail, sliding back across matching fixed panes of glass. This enabled me to fix the Juliette balcony into the composite wooden frames on the inside of the building and achieve a perfect aesthetic result. The property looks sleek and uncluttered on the outside, and I can enjoy the views of the countryside and the fresh air while still maintaining the required safety standards. I think in the end it's given my house the wow factor I was hoping for.